Hey, I'm gonna try this sinus rinse. This is the second time in my entire life I've put anything up my nose and had it come out the other side. Now here's the little bottle here, and I'm gonna fill that up with water, and this is the nice little squeegee squirty thing here. You put that in there and then it's gonna come up out of the top. Well, first it came with these little saline sinus rinse things here. Okay, so I gotta rip this open, and this is good for anybody who's got sinus issues or clogged up nose, whatever. Okay, so I put that in there, and now I'm gonna put some warm water in here. I just did this for the first time yesterday, and I felt actually pretty good when it got done, when I did it. Okay, so that's all I'm gonna do. I'm going to put this on, and I'm going to squirt this up my nose, and it's going to come out the other side. It feels kind of funky, but okay, here goes. Came out my mouth too. That is a funky feeling for sure. Ooh. Tastes like salt for sure. I got just a little bit more. Sinus rinse, Neil Med. Ooh. That's it. I've done just about all of it. That's all I'm going to do. Forget that mess. Now I hear that's something you can do every single day. Okay, you get yourself a bottle like this, and this one's called Neil Med. Now I don't know if they have any other ones. It came with the 50 pre-mixed packets here, and after that you can buy these packets separately. Okay, don't just use salt. You know, when you get done with the 50 little pouches, and all these pouches, 50 pouches came in this little box. And actually I got this over at CVS, and we went online and got a coupon for 25% off. What was this, $16.99 or something, so it ended up being less than around $14 or so. Okay, so that, you know, I've got a broken nose from years ago, and I have to breathe out of my mouth most of the time because my nose is always clogged up. And I'm gonna keep trying this for a while, and actually I think it's gonna help me sleep better too. Okay, well that's all I got for this time. I'll see you on the next video.